Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a question here. It says, we should write a C++ program to find the area of a triangle given the three sides. And the formulas are given as S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. And area is equal to the square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Note that A, B, C are values for the three sides. Now, in order to solve this, we need to identify our variables. Our variables here are the unknown, which are what? S, A, B, C, and what? Area. Right? Knowing this, we can dive straight into our C++ editor and start writing the lens code. Now, this is the C++ editor. What we need to do is, so that if you don't have this to solve linking, you have a blank file, and just create a new file, right? Create a new file, then click on file and save the file and give it a name. I should call it area and save. Now, so this is our program. Find area of triangle given the three sides. So we have hash include a string, right? Our header files. Okay, we have using namespace std. We have int name. We open and close parentheses. We have the open curly brace. Now inside here, we have to declare our variables. Variables here are S, A, B, C, and area, and they are all of like floats or double, right? Since they are measurements, we have floats, A, C, comma, S, and area, right? So indicate that let's see, variable declaration. Now, after having this variable, we need the values of, check it, we need the values of A, B, and C to get the value of S, right? And whatever S is, you can use it in this formula. So, going back and see, setting the values of A, B, C from the user, right? Just like we've been doing, you have a C out, enter the value of A, right? And you can copy and paste this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Here is B and C. So in between each of them, we have C into A, right? Here we have C into B, and we have C into C. Now the next thing to do is to calculate the value of S, right? And from the formula, given that A plus B plus C divided by 2, S is equal to A plus B plus C, right? Please take notes of your order of operation, right? All this has to be done first before dividing by 2. Let's clean this up before dividing by 2. Now, there is something that we need to take note of whenever you are performing an arithmetic operation, I think, that deals with division in C++. You need to take note of typecasting. Now, since all these variable A, B, and C are of type floats, now if you are dividing it by an integer, it's going to do a typecasting on the result and might not give you an accurate result. But in order to be on the safer side, let's divide it by 2.0 since all the variables involved in the operation are floats. So here we already have the values of a, b, c divided by 2 will give us s. So we can go ahead and look for area. Remember we are dealing with area and we need to find square root. So let's quickly bring in our CMAT, right, so that we're able to access the square root function. It is not compulsory you do that. You can use power instead, to the power of 0.5 if you wish to. But I think this one is more readable and easy to use. So square root of the formula, square root of s multiplied by into bracket s minus a, open correct, then multiplied by s minus b, and have multiplied by s minus c. Close this, and here you have the area. Area is equal to square root of s multiplied by s minus a, so s minus b into s minus c. So this gives us the area. You can simply output the answer, have the area of the triangle is equal to, right, concatenate it with the value of our area and end line. And that is all. So come to execute, compile and run. Hopefully there's no error, right? So at the value of a, let's say 5, let's say 6 and 4, right? So the area of the triangle is 9.92157, right? So it is as simple as this. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. It is very important to me. And like and share this video. You can also turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I release any notification of videos. Thank you for watching.